Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir MTech JU. My name is Rahul Paul. I'm a faculty in the field of mathematics. In this particular video, we are going to talk about exercise 8.2 question number 2 of Trigonometry Class 10 CBSE of the NCERT book. So let us get started with the question. Okay, so this is the first question. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree, and this is an MCQ, so you have got 4 options. The first option is sin 60, second is cos 60, third is tan 60, fourth is sin 30. So first of all, let us evaluate this particular expression and see which one of the following option is correct. So we need to just break down the different values and then we can evaluate this one. So tan 30, that means 1 by root 3. So 2 tan 30, that will be 2 multiplied by 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus, so it will be 1 plus tan square 30. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so tan square 30 will be 1 by root 3 whole square, which is 1 by 3. So the result that comes, that will be, so it will be 2 by root 3 and divided by, that will be 4 by 3. Right? So now what we can do, we can cut 2 with 4, we can make it 2, and we can cut root 3 with 3, we can make it root 3. So now what happens, this root 3 will again go up and this 2 will be down. So the final result that comes is root 3 by 2. Now, which of the following options has the value of root 3 by 2? That will be your answer. So sin 60, what is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Let us check the other values. Cos 60 will be half, tan 60 will be root 3, and sin 30 will be half. So automatically the first option will be the correct answer. Let us move on to the next question. Okay, so this is the second question. Again, it's an MCQ. You have 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree, and you have the 4 options. For option A is tan 90 degree, option B is 1, option C is sin 45 degree, option D is 0. So again, the same process, we need to first of all break down the values of this tan square 45 and the tan square 45 in the denominator, and finally we are going to evaluate and see if which of the results are matching. So 1 minus tan square 45, what is tan 45? That is 1. So tan square 45 will be obviously square of 1, which is again 1. So the numerator will be 1 minus 1 divided by, it will be 1 plus 1. And since the numerator is 0, so 0 divided by anything, the result has to come 0. So automatically, no questions asked, this is the correct answer. So in this way, we have to solve this one. Let us go and check the next question. Okay, so this is your third question. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a is true when a equals to question mark. And your options are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Now, in order to answer this kind of question, the most easiest way is to pick one of the options and check with the question if that is giving you the correct value or not. And if not, then go for the next one. And it won't take a long time. So you can just do it like this. And this is the best way, best possible way. So what we are doing, first of all, we are checking on a equals to 0 degree. So if a is 0 degree, then what will be sin 2a? So sin 2a will be sin 2 multiplied by 0 degree, which is nothing but sin 0 degree, which is nothing but 0. Okay. Similarly, 2 sin a, that will be 2 sine of 0 degree, which is nothing but 2 multiplied by 0, which is nothing but 0. So as you can see, the left hand side and the right hand side are giving us the same value, which is 0. That means for a equals to 0, this particular equation is valid. So your option will be the first one. So in this way, we are going to solve this particular question. Let us move on to the next. So we have reached the final question of question number 2 and the final question of this particular video. So in this particular question again, we have to figure out what should be the answer related to, is it cos 60, is it sin 60, is it tan 60, is it sin 30. So this is pretty much the first question that we did in the beginning of the video. The only difference is we did here 1 plus tan square 30, now we are doing 1 minus. So the system is exactly the same, only the values might be different. So first of all, 2 tan 30, that means 1 upon root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30 will be 1 upon root 3 whole square, which is 1 upon 3. So the final value will be, here it will be 2 by root 3, and in the denominator we will have 3 minus 1, which is 2 by 3. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, this root 3 and this 3 gets cancelled, and root 3 will form here. And finally this root 3 will go up, and we are getting the answer as only root 3. Now which of the following values are giving us root 3? Definitely it will be tan 60. If you follow the trigonometric table, you will figure out that tan 60 is the one which is giving us root 3. Cos 60 will give us half, sin 60 will give us root 3 by 2, sin 30 will give us half. So tan 60 is giving us the value of root 3. So this is the correct answer. So in this particular way, we will do question number 2, and with this we are concluding today's video. In the next video, we will be doing question number 3 and the rest of the questions of exercise 8.2. Until then, take care.